So as you can see, I have taken my drawing, I've taken it, I've taken the walls, I've taken the columns, this is the bar, this is the beam, I've taken the door, taken the beam. So everything, the way it should look, this is how it should be, and I've taken everything. Then at times you might be asked to draw a roofing sheet. Just draw a tiny layer of a tiny layer. Then you should draw your ridge cap. So this is called the ridge cap. Let's just draw a ridge cap here. That's like the top of your roof. It seals the two angles of your roof together. So this is a ridge cap. You might put something like this for then you might be asked to draw a tiny piece of roofing sheet. Just draw a tiny layer of line on top of your pre-existing line. So I will just draw a tiny layer of line here, top of pre-existing line. That should serve as a roofing sheet. Then the next thing is my material representation. Now I've drawn the material representation for a wall. It is this diagonal lines. This is the material representation for a wall. Then for this is a glazed door, so that's why I use this short long short dash, short long dash, short long short dash. So then I will put the material representation for the foundation is something like this. It's circles and dashes. So this is symbol for foundation. Just put circles and dashes. So these are the materials used to make your foundation. Circles and dashes. Then after that we'll put the symbol for earth, because below the foundation we have our earth. Just put hashtags, a lot of hashtags, faint lines, diagonal lines that looks like hashtag. So this is a representation for earth. So this shows that this is earth. Everything here is earth. Everything here is earth. It does not have to be too thick. Just aligning. Just line everything in. So your examiner will know that you are trying to let them know that this is it. So just make it diagonal. This is representation for it. So this is it. Then the next thing we'll be doing is we're doing the material representation for hardcore. Let's do for the concrete slab first. This concrete slab. So it's still your circles and dashes, but these ones are smaller circles because these are smaller particles. The particles are smaller than your foundation. Just this, and it is uniform throughout. So every part of the building has these parts. Every part of the building is continuous throughout the building. So it's not like the foundation that is only for the parts that the wall cut, that the walls that are cut. So this continuous part is continuous throughout. Then the topmost layer is just dashes, which is the sandcrete. So these are the representation for these materials. So I'm trying to make sure this video does not take too long. That's why I'm trying to be fast with this material representation. So let's draw the representation for hardcore. This hardcore, you still draw your diagonal lines like this. You draw in one direction, then you follow up in the other direction. So for your hardcore, you begin to line in the opposite direction now. I'm lining in the opposite direction. So I've done that. This is my material representation for hardcore.